evening, everybody. It's Scott Gillum with the ShadowTrader short video for this Wednesday, the 19th of February. Today, it's wash, rinse, and repeat on a stock that's made me a lot of money using credit spreads. And this one is Micron Technologies. So we've had in our portfolio a lot of credit selling above and a lot of credit selling below current levels. As you can see on the chart, this very blocked off area has been an area where we've had resistance up around that 110 level. We've had some minor support just at that 100, but major support down around 87. So, going forward, we've got a bullish bias on the NDX and the chip stocks at this point in time. And we're now back in the middle, the upper range of that 85 to 110 level. And I'd like to sell some credit down below with a secondary exit. If we do get a flush in the market, I'd be willing to buy shares of Micron, which has got a good hold on the chip section of the technology. So let's take a look at what we can do here for the trade. Sell credit below, something just below this blocked off area. So if we take a look, I want to go out to March 7th. Back up here a bit. We've got earnings coming up on the 19th. So this bullish bias to run into earnings should benefit the trade. All right, so the 7th of March, 2 weeks out, 16 days. Current price sitting here around 104, 105, 104. A 1 standard deviation move, which is about the limit that I would like to go down to sell credit, doesn't really set me up for the credits that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go inside of this 1 standard deviation move, which would be about an $8 move between now and the 7th. Sell that 98 strike and buy the 95. Putting this together right now, we can get about a $64 credit on that $3 wide trade. So if I take a look at that 64 credit on a $3 wide, so I've got 300 of max risk minus the $64 collected, gives me an actual $237 of risk. So if I divide the $64 of credit by that $234 or $36 of risk, I have a 27% return on my risk in these 16 days. That is a fantastic return on risk. Now, how does this stack up for probabilities? Well, if I take a look at the curve, currently at a price of around 104, which is right up here, we have over a 73% probability of making any money on the trade. And I would have to say that given where the stock is trading and the gap up that we had back on the 14th, secondary gap on the 18th, and now holding inside of this gap up from yesterday, we've got a high probability of staying above that 8 EMA at the current time frame, in between the 20 and the 50 EMAs for some sort of, movement, but holding well above that 100 round number price. So here you have it. Micron Technologies in a somewhat consolidation with a bias to the upside move coming in the next couple of weeks. Earnings coming up in 3 or 4 weeks. The trade being selling the March 7 98 put capping that off with a 95 long put, giving us around $64 worth of profit on about a 75% probability of successful trade. Thank you very much. Have a great one. Bye-bye. Hi there, this is Scott Gellin from the Stock and Options Room of Live Trading Suite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. And if you'd like to trade live with me in real time, click again that link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.